YouTubers, we say thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the comments. And I do mean that in every single video. But today I want to thank you, and always, I do want to thank you for another type of support that you are giving me that you are not even aware of. You know, my health issues, I haven't talked about my health issues that kind of knocked me down for weeks at a time. And I think that you watching and coming back and leaving me the comments, and you know what, you're helping me more than you know. It's not just about the video itself, it's what you're doing for my health. And I wanted the opportunity to say thank you.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Hello my friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Grace. In this channel, I upcycle furniture. I take furniture that maybe doesn't fit into a lot of decor these days. So I upcycle them and I turn them into something that fits into the modern decor. And I love it. And it just so happens that I am check obsessed. So guess what? In this channel, that's what you'll be seeing. A lot of checkers, because I'm check obsessed ever since I was in the womb. I was probably in the womb. Yeah, I'd say that. A little while ago, I showed you a clip of a project I was working on for a harp table. Now there is a different name. I call it the harp table, but it's called something else. I will look for it and then I will insert it below. One of my subscribers told me what it was. Thank you so much. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to call it a harp table. I wanted to share with you what I did with that. There were some things that maybe I would have liked to change, but at the end of the day, it's a piece of furniture that I had fun doing, and that's all that matters. I'm also going to give you a sneak peek of another project I'm working on, and I am so excited about it. I'll give you a clue. It's 2 lamps. I have purchased 2 lamps on Marketplace and I paid $30.
I wanna know you better.
Got these 2 lamps. I took out the shades already. These 2 lamps, I really liked it because it had a lot of detail here and at the bottom. So I'm going to be DIYing them. This lamp, it's kind of unique. My husband says it looks like I don't know, some type of torpedo or something. Excited because I have big plans for it, so I can't wait.
So just stay for a little while.
So I'm going to DIY this baby. I love all the detail on it.
So just stay for a little while.
I found this beauty that I'm going to be DIYing as well. So much detail and I love it. And it's almost like the nesting tables that I did.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are.
Redoing these 3 chairs.
The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh,
I also picked up this one rack. I got decided that I was going to do the one rack. It's all about the tray.
Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make them smile.
so just stay for a little while.
So long.
I can't wait to show you that video. But for now, let's go to the harp table. Guys, look at this little beauty. When I seen it, I really love the bottom or the little bars across there. And it has a little sort of metal feet detail or cloth feet. But the harp on the sides is stunning. I'm going to be DIYing this one for my basement living room. I was told by the seller that this table is from 1940s. I don't know. I'm not into antiques too much. It has some damage across the top. I don't know what that is, but it's okay because it's all going to be sanded. There is a little piece of, or there is a little, I don't know, a little, it's kind of cracked there. See, there it is. So I'm going to have him fix that. How cute is that? I have never seen a table like this, and that's what I fell in love with. Hubby is sanding it for me, and it did have that little sort of crack here, but hubby's put a filler in it, and then he's going to sand it down. Thank you, hubby. Thank you. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do this, but you know me, I roll with it. Literally, I roll with it. Are you enjoying this video? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I started painting, but I didn't show you. So this was the piece that was cracked. It's just a continuation, and he sanded it, and it's nice and soft. Checks are painted in the top. I'm waiting for them to dry, and now we're going to do this part. I've bought this bear paint. Apparently, it's really good, and this is an interior-exterior satin enamel. People told me to try this because it was really nice. I don't know if you can see that color. When you use it, just shake it very well. If I don't like it, it's only paint. Oh my God, I love this color. This is how the color looks. This is the first coat. We're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna add the second coat. The lighting is not great because it is midnight. We'll see how it looks in the morning.
Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run? Just be wild and free. Do I really?
I've added some gold polka dots on the top, and I did the black trim around. At the bottom, I did this lovely gold, and then here I did all in gold. Not all in gold, but the accents all in gold. I wanted to tie in with this, of course.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, be kind. Always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when, and never I wish I did. Thank you for watching.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you